Have you ever been puzzled by the terms like Tencel, Modal, and bamboo fiber on the material labels when selecting new clothes? And how are these related to your daily lives? You might not know that these blended materials have already permeated into your life. Don't believe it? Let's delve into it. First off, let's dive into Tencel. When mixed with cotton, the result has a silky smoothness and breathability of cotton. Tencel also blends well with merino wool, making merino more affordable and reducing its itchy and raw feel, rendering the fabric cool and soft, like icebreaker. The outdoor brand innovatively blends Tencel with merino wool, providing even more skin-friendly and comfortable outdoor clothing. And these are the hottest blend choices of 2024, combining the natural and functional sustainability. Next up is Modal, a synthetic fiber that matches the moisture absorption and softness of cotton. When blended with polyester, it results in a product that is both durable and moisture absorbing, such as sports shirts and travel pants. Take a look at Under Armour, the globally recognized sportswear brand. They blend Modal with polyester in their sports shirts to ensure durability and good moisture absorption. Of course, Modal can also be blended with cotton, merino wool, and Tencel, but the softness and comfort of Modal fibers never diminish. Lastly, let's look at bamboo fiber. When blended with cotton, the product has the antibacterial properties of bamboo fiber and the skin friendliness of cotton. When bamboo is blended with merino, just like the most popular composition of the blend, the fabric suddenly becomes so luxury, drapey, and thermoregulating. It's just as amazing to experiment on different blends. Just like trying different food ingredients to reach the best taste and best balance between function and comfort on garments. Imagine whether in the hot summer or outdoor adventures, or enjoying comfortable sleep, these blends materials can give you the best quality experience. Want to learn more about blended sustainable materials, or want to get our sample and experience the comfort of this material firsthand? Come and follow us. Share your views in the comments and ask the questions. We will select comments and send out exquisite samples. Join us to unveil the mystery of blended materials and feel their practicality in daily life. The next time you go out shopping, you'll be able to make smarter choice with this knowledge.